Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall. Them people, them artists, they know. See? No support from them. Uno wicked. Uno the wickedest set of people, let me say, man. You know much uno will fight and bust, select a fight and bust, boy. Show social media come on the feast, so no need we again. Eh? Then me hear one of them a quarrel. Me hear one of them artists a quarrel about how man a get money. Man a collect money to play a song and this and that and rare. See? I'm not even mean so Vegas you may talk to. See? So Vegas, you see we a fight a struggle with the Nice Abatement Act. And you no come say, gentlemen, see? This we has a long time, rare and blah blah. Me no want you come right for the thing. Me no want a man can use as no leverage to get leverage for uno. I come right on it, figure some boom and get mileage for yourself. You come say, okay, Ricky Trooper, me here you make some good points, but this have to talk about and rare and this and that. Vegas, me tell you something, you get your run about ya. All I know artists about ya. No found you get on a run about ya. See? What you do for the business back? Eh? The youth them cause a boom come and do them thing, people. You understand? Them and do them thing. And if producers want to give them money, who is you, Mr. Vegas? How dare you if you come go on like say, you are come chat, but you want to be informer. See? And call police and tell the police commissioner about this and that and ban this and one and rare. Anybody a try ban your food, you know rich and do what you do. Mr. Vegas, you ever give back to Jamaica yet? Me never see a paint no KPH or nothing like Bounty Killer. Or a give back. Eh? What you do for this? How much youth you ever help? You know how much money me spending a marching band in Jamaica? How much thousands of US dollars me put back in our system? For make some look at you to that Spanish town where we come from clans and one other area. See? Come together. Under one. I'm going to learn to play drum and blow a bugle. Mr. Vegas, what you ever do? If you the one do something for this, since you chat, why you not call the youth them? One day I say, I'll select I want some Vegas. Me I go down the studio there. And you give the youth them one, 2 song. Make them play your song them since at the scene. Because the youth them want dub play. Because uno set the artists at Jamaica. We will not fight against the dancehall culture too. Who all uno? Have this thing here. Uno not go out and party with the youth them. Uno not, the fans them nasty, you know. The selectors them nasty, you know. And when them link uno for all get all 2 songs from uno. Who out there play on the song. Uno quote the money in a US dollars to it. See? And the big price you wanna have for all our sound system, them wanna give them worldwide. See? And we are fighting on the thing. Lord, the youth them make them live, man. A new time, man. When them used to say people, Trooper bad mind against the youth, them and this and that. Me no bad mind against no youth. I'm a sound system, man. Hear this, you know. I love this culture so much, people. It pain my heart. When me see Japanese and European people know so much about the foundation and the business, more than look at you than we are coming at the thing. I have to bond them and cuss them because I want them learn something here. I want them learn it and they have it. That's when we leave it alone, it's safe in the hands of them youth here. See? So Vegas, Lord, you them for live, man. See? Why not cuss this jacket them with a real station where I get bag of money? Eh? Leave the little youth them have them family for feed. See? And I saw them make the money. Lord them Vegas and go, man. And don't come right pan the movement, sir. Don't come right pan the no music, no vote, him movement. Forget your agenda across. Go. See? End of that game. Back to that something now, people. Now, people. This I want to share with you now. Artists, if you listen to this because uno not support we. And look how me I go try support uno now. People, them have this thing here. This thing here, this Nice Abatement Act. When you go to look at permit, you have to go to the parish council. You have to go to JAMMS and this them people when them JCAP. Now JAMMS and JCAP are 2 bodies of people who say them protect the rights of artists and them collect them money for performance and royalties and them something there. Now people, I'm gonna show you something. JCAP and JAMMS are running the biggest scam in Jamaica. You can't kill me, no, you can't kill me. See, JCAP and JAMMS are on the biggest scam in Jamaica, people. See, worldwide, JCAP and JAMMS at Jamaica are on the biggest scam. Look into this now. JCAP, them, I collect money for say when we play the artists them music out there. When we play the artists them music at night time, I dance. I saw them get to pay the artists them. So every promoter have to pay that money there. Now people, 200 dancers, so for example, I keep a Jamaica for one night. There's nobody from JCAP or JAMMS who is coming to those events. If you come here, one player. You know, set a Jamaica artist, you know, hear me? Nobody now come at the venues them for find out one we are player. See? And then I make a playlist. If it say, okay, 4 Sizzler player, 4 Bounty Killer player, see? 4 Bugle player, see? 4 of that man player, 4 of that the smarty the player. That's when 6 months come a year and you can't get to no royalties. See? But that money is being collected. That money is being collected. When we go places like Europe, we have certain places where we go. Even some festival, we have to make playlists. We come from Jamaica, we have to make playlists and give to them. Because I saw them have to turn in that. And some of the festival them, and some of the clubs that we go play all over the world. See? Them, you have to turn in that for the artists, them can't get the royalties. Now JCAP and JAMMS them that Jamaica. Now collect that money there. People them are collecting from 1997. 1997. Since they are coming and now 2019. Ask how much artists have got the money from that collection of money that JCAP and JAMMS has been collecting.
Viewers and subscribers, the man that I just saw in the video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, is known as Ricky Tropper, a well-known selector in Jamaica music industry. You know, some would call him DJ. You know, he's a veteran in Jamaica music, you see. And he made a video that he put out on social media where he said some things, you know. He touched a few topics, you know. But the main topic overall was about the parties in Jamaica being turned off at a certain time due to a law that has been passed where parties supposed to be turned off at 12 a.m. during the week and 2 a.m. over the weekends, right? Now, that topic, you know, that whole issue is out there on social media, you see me? And Mr. Vegas said something and Ricky Tropper responded to it, you know. So there's a part in this video right about now where some people on social media says that Ricky Tropper disrespect Mr. Vegas, is it? Now, I'm going to try and say what Mr. Vegas said. It might not be word for word what he said, but I'm going to tell you according to how I understand it. Now, there's a part in a video that Mr. Vegas put on social media where he says that they are not trying to save dancehall, they are trying to save their hustling, right? All right. Now, Ricky Tropper, as you hear in the video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, Ricky Tropper responded to that. All right. Now, that's just one topic, you know. And he also mentioned about social media. Now, viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, it seems to me like social media changed a lot of things in Jamaica, you know, even the world, I can say, you see me? In my point of view, I think that social media changed how artists get exposed out there, how people get to know a new artist and so forth. Because as a comedian or as an artist, even if it's a selector or you want to be an actor, you know what I mean? Certain ways, you know, you can just do your art and then put it out on social media and more people will be able to hear you by you doing it on your own. You see me? So in some ways I think that social media impacted negative on some, while on some it impacted very positive. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, he also mentioned about the Jamaica Music Society, you know, no, I should say JAMMS and JCAP, right? Because of getting the permit for parties being played, he says that you have to go to these people, which is the JAMMS and JCAP, and at the same time, you know, they says that these money must be collected so that the artists that do the music that you're playing at the parties, they are supposed to be collecting royalties from these things. However, he's saying that none of them don't turn out to these parties. So how him know who forget pay from who not forget pay? Viewers and subscribers, he may have a valid point right here. You know what I'm saying to you? Yeah, those things that he point out, he may have a valid point. There's a lot of things across the board with some of the things that we just said in this video right about now, viewers and subscribers. You see me? But however, you hear what I'm saying? I mean, I can't really explain everything. You see what I say? So you just have to just listen to what he says. And really and truly, some of the things that were him just said, especially about the JAMMS JCAP thing and all these things, you see what I'm saying to you? Some might have me thinking, right? Yeah, it have me thinking, some of it. You see what I say? Even the social media part, it have me thinking too, alright? Yeah. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, I just leave it with you so that you can just tell me what you think about something like this. You see what I said to you? Is it that what Ricky Tropper just said, how much of it is correct, you know what I mean, or should I say accurate, and all these things, you see me? So just let me know what you think about what he just said, alright? And as always, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments and let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla, uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.